Good day, and all of you welcome to Capi classes. In last video we had learned about the friction of screw jack. Today's topic is friction in pivot bearing. In this topic, flat pivot bearing and conical pivot bearing. Please pause the video and copy in your book. Flat pivot bearing. When a vertical shaft rotates in the flat pivot bearing, it is known as a footstep bearing. For example, in W, it is most important for the theory of machine. This is the figure, this is the shaft, and this is the bearing. The name flat pivot bearing spells that the bottom end is flat. Let W equal to load transmitted over the bearing surface. This one is the W, which is the vertical load. R equal to radius of the bearing surface. P equal to intensity of pressure for unit area of bearing surfaces between rubbing surfaces, and mu equal to coefficient of friction between rubbing surfaces, that is the shaft and bearing. For calculation of the frictional torque, we are considering two concepts. One is for uniform wear and another is uniform pressure. Considering uniform pressure, P equal to load by area equal to W by pi r square. It implies W equal to P into pi r square. The formula for the frictional torque, T equal to 2 by 3 mu W r. This is in Newton meter. If the torque will be in a Newton meter, then power will be in watt, because watt equal to Newton meter per second. This is the most important formula for calculating the frictional torque under uniform pressure. Second one is the considering uniform wear. For uniform wear, as radius changes, the pressure changes, therefore P into R equal to constant and C equal to W by 2 pi r. From this formula, we are going to calculate W. If in problem W is not given, then by using this formula and this formula, we can get W. Then frictional torque T equal to half mu W r. See the difference between these two formulas. Under uniform pressure, T equal to 2 by 3 mu W r, and for uniform wear, T equal to half mu W r. Then power lost in friction equal to, as usual formula, power equal to T into omega or 2 pi nt by 60. It will, in what condition is the torque must be in Newton meter, where omega angular velocity equal to 2 pi n by 60 into radian per second. That is clarified by the solving of a problem. Come to the problem. A vertical shaft 150 mm in diameter, rotating at 100 rpm, rests on a flat and footstep bearing. The shaft carries a vertical load of 20 kN. Assuming uniform pressure distribution and coefficient of friction equal to 0.05, estimate power lost in friction. In a question, the data are given are vertical shaft to 150 mm diameter, that is D equal to 150 mm. Therefore, radius R equal to 150 upon 2 equal to 75 mm, which is equal to 0.075 meter. N equal to 100 rpm. From the N, omega equal to 2 pi n by 60 equal to 2 pi into 100 by 60 equal to 10.47 radian per second. W equal to 20 kilonewton equal to 20,000 Newton. Mu equal to 0.05. In this question, assuming uniform pressure only is given. So considering uniform pressure, total frictional torque T equal to 2 by 3 mu W r. By putting the value of mu, W and R, the value becomes 50 Newton meter. And power lost in friction P equal to 2 pi nt by 60, or you may use T omega. By putting the corresponding values, the power will be 523.5 watt. If the question it also given as uniform wear also, then considering uniform wear, total friction torque equal to, by using the formula T equal to half mu WR. By putting the corresponding values of mu, W and R, the frictional torque becomes 37.5 Newton meter. Power lost in friction equal to 2 pi nt by 60 equal to 392.7 watt. Our next topic is conical pivot bearing. The name spells that conical, that is the form of a cone. The lower portion will be in the form of a cone, whereas in flat pivot that is flat. Here Pn equal to intensity of pressure normal to the cone. These are the Pn. Alpha equal to semi angle of the cone. The total angle formed of the angle formed by the cone equal to 2 alpha, and alpha equal to half of that angle, that is the semi angle of the cone in degree. Mu equal to coefficient of friction between shaft and bearing. R equal to radius of the shaft. W equal to vertical load transmitted to the bearing. Considering uniform pressure, normal pressure equal to W by pi r square, or W equal to normal pressure into pi r square. Frictional torque is 2 by 3 mu WR cosec alpha. That in pivot bearing, frictional torque under uniform pressure equal to 2 by 3 mu WR, but here 2 by 3 mu WR cosec alpha is multiplied here. Similarly, considering uniform wear, P into R equal to C and C equal to W by 2 pi R. Frictional torque will be half mu WR cosec alpha. Power lost in friction equal to same formula 2 pi nt by 60 watt. Sometimes in question R is not given. In that case, slant height is given. This is the slant height. If slant height is given, then instead of R cos alpha, it is represented as L, that is the slant height. Then formula becomes T equal to 2 by 3 mu W L. This is the L. This is R. This will be clear by a problem. A conical pivot bearing supports a vertical shaft of 200 mm diameter. It is subjected to a load of 30 kN. The angle of the cone is 120 degree and the coefficient of friction is 0.025. Find the power lost in friction when the speed is 140 rpm, assuming uniform pressure and uniform wear. Here two cases are asking. Given data are diameter of the shaft D equal to 200 mm and a radius equal to 100 mm, which is equal to 0.1 meter. Vertical load W equal to 30 kN equal to 30,000 Newton. Angle of the cone 2 alpha equal to 120 degree, then alpha equal to 60 degree. Coefficient of friction mu equal to 0.025. Given that n equal to 140 rpm. From here omega equal to 2 pi n by 60 equal to 14.66 radian per second. Considering uniform pressure, what will be power lost? We know that total frictional torque T equal to 2 by 3 mu WR cosec alpha. By putting the corresponding values, we get 57.7 Newton meter, or should be in meter, then only you can get is Newton meter. Then power lost in friction equal to T into omega equal to 57.7 into omega, which is the 14.6 radian per second, equal to 846 watt. Considering second case, that is the uniform wear, what it will be the power lost? We know that the total frictional torque T for uniform wear formula is half mu WR cosec alpha. By putting the corresponding values, the torque becomes half into 0.025 into 30,000 into 0.1 into cosec 60 degree, which becomes 43.3 Newton meter. Then power lost in friction equal to T into omega equal to 43.3 into 14.66, which becomes 633.8 watt. If this video helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel, for which you can get the new notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye.